I'm talking about creating what we call the Mallett Building Challenge. What that means is this. You call and get us a bid, I'm going to send you a specification sheet, do the comparison. I challenge any competitor to meet me at your house or your place of business, and we make the proposition of why you should do business with either one of us. And I will personally go. That's a challenge right now to every one of them out there. I'm hoping one takes the challenge, because I'm telling you, I would look forward to sitting face to face with a competitor trying to sell you this stuff that they try to sell head up against me. So the challenge is there. Anytime and if they won't take the challenge, I would suggest you probably don't want to do business with them. But there's the challenge. I don't care if it's steel, I don't care if it's stick frame, I don't care what it is. Let me go to your house if he'll show up. If he won't show up, come see me, because that means he don't want to get in the ring with me. But the challenge is there. Give me a call at 337-515-2154, or you can call the office at 337-214-0428. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.